Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn the loops concept. In the previous session we have seen if else, that means conditional statement. Now we'll go for the loops. So what is the loop and why it is required in the programming language? So for example, if I want to iterate some data or if I want to execute some logic many times, in that case we can go for the loops. A very simple example, if I just want to print the first 10 numbers or if I want the sum of first 10 numbers, then the loop is needed. We have to iterate the values. If I want to calculate the average marks of all the students, then firstly I have to add the marks of each student and then I'll calculate the average. So for that we need something who can iterate our data. So there are three types of loop. One, we can say while loop. Two, do while. And third one is for loop. Okay, now first we'll go through the while. So what is the syntax for while? In case of while, the initialization of variable is outside the loop. Then in between we'll give the condition. That means here in the bracket we can put condition. And in the block we'll write our logic. And the increment and decrement of variable. So here we have to understand these three things. If we give any of this wrong, then our loop can go into infinite loop or will not produce a proper result. So I'll give you the example of while here. So what is the required thing here? Initialization of variable. For example, we'll declare I is equal to 0. Then while I less than 10. Observe that here I am giving I less than 10. So our loop will go till 9 only, because less than 10. If I provide here the less than equal to, then it will go till 10. I will show you the difference. We will just print the I here. Now again we can see here our loop is an infinite loop. Why? Because I is equal to 0 and 0 is always less than 0. I am not incrementing here the I. It is always 0. So that's why it is an infinite loop. So here I have to write I plus plus, the increment or decrement operator. Here we can see now that it is displaying 0 to 10 numbers. How it is executing? So first I is 0. It is checking that 0 is less than 10. Yes, it is coming inside. It is displaying that 0. It is incrementing it to 1. Is 1 is less than 10? Yes, it is printing the 1. Again it is doing 2. So till 10. 11 and here till 10. So here what we can say, if I print the I outside the loop, what will be the I value after the loop? We'll check. It is 11. Why it is 11? Because it is going till 10, and when the I will become 11, it will check here, is 11 is less than 10? No, it will come outside the loop and we are displaying here. So the last value in your loop is more than the condition. If you have any doubt, you can post it in a comment. Now I'll show you one more example. Now we'll solve. If I want to find out the reverse of the digit, suppose input is 1 2 3 and output expected is 3 2 1. How we can solve this using the loop? So here first we'll accept the number, then we'll declare one reverse variable, then enter number, number is equal to c dot next int, then see, observe that if I want to do the reverse of the digits, then I want in 1 2 3 I want the 3 first. So if I divide the number by 10, it always returns the last number as remainder. So I want to execute this loop till the number is greater than 0. Now as I am discussing, like if we divide the number by 10, it returns the last digit in a remainder. So we'll take the remainder first. Okay, now we'll save it in the reverse into 10 plus r. Why into 10? To place the things on unit place. Now after calculating the remainder, we'll divide the number by 10. Why to divide the number by 10? For example, if my input is 1 2 3, okay, it is greater than 0, yes, it is calculating the remainder first, and then initially the reverse is 0, 0 into 10 will become a 0 only, and plus r, that means 3. So the last value which is in reverse variable will be 3. Now I want 3, I got it. Now I want a 2. So what we can do, 123 divided by 10 equal to 12. So 12 will come here after the 123. Now again 12 mod 10 equal to 2. Now 3 is already saved in reverse variable. So 3 into 10 plus 2 is equal to 32. And 12 divided by 10. So remainder will be 1. So 1 will go as here again is 1 is greater than 0. So yes, 10 mod 1 will become 1. Now 32 into 10 plus 1 will become 3 to 1. Now 1 divided by 10, 0, and then it will come outside the loop, and outside the loop will display the reverse. Okay? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can post it in a comment. Okay, we can see here 4 through 2, 1. You can solve many problems using this logic, like sum of digits, sum of first and last digit, total number of digits in a number. So you can solve all these questions. If you have any doubt, you can post it in a comment. Thank you.